Hello all of you, this is Manish Kumar Sharma and I welcome you all to new video on Rebar detection test. Today we are going to learn about Rebar detection test in which we will see a brief introduction, significance of test and procedure to perform Rebar test at site. So first of all, let's have a brief introduction of this test. It is a non-destructive test, which means while performing this test, no concrete member is either damaged or dismantled. Major function of this test is to locate the position of rebar which is hidden in concrete. It might sound amazing that you can look for reinforcement which is physically not visible from naked eyes, but it is actually possible to detect its presence and location from use of the machine known as Profoscope. Now let us understand what is the significance or importance of this test. It is used to avoid hitting of reinforcement while drilling in RCC members, as it may cause serious damage to drilling machines, or core cutout for testing of strength will contain pieces of reinforcement in it which will not be accepted for concrete compressive strength test. It has one more use. It is also used to make an inquiry of hidden reinforcement while retrofitting works. Suppose you are working on an old building in which you want to make sure that reinforcement present in column is sufficient enough to withstand forces which shall be liable to act on RCC member after retrofitting. Now let us understand it on a whiteboard. Assume that we are having reinforcement in RCC member which is not visible from our naked eyes at an center to center spacing of 150 mm in both vertical and horizontal direction. Suppose that you are going to make a drill or make a cutout in RCC member. Then there may be two conditions. Either luckily you may make hole at this location, or accidentally you may cut RCC at this location. If you cut RCC at this location, it will ultimately cut the reinforcement bar and make RCC weak. So for this purpose, you really need to know the exact location of reinforcement bars, which shall be done by Profoscope. You have to place the Profoscope at this location. Then you have to start moving this machine with the help of wheels attached on it towards this side. It will make a beep sound and a LED will glow just at the moment it crosses a reinforcement bar. Suppose it crosses the first vertical reinforcement bar from left side. It will make a beep sound at this location. Then it will make a beep sound at this location. Then at this location and so on. Now for horizontal bars, it will make beep sound at this location. Now at this location. After this, the only thing you have to do is extend or connect these lines in both vertical and horizontal directions, as a result of which you will get an exact picture of actual location of reinforcement bars. Now you are free to make a drill or make a cutout through the RCC member without damaging the reinforcement. Now let us look how this test is performed at site. Beep sound of Profoscope confirms the presence of vertical reinforcement in column. Beep sound of Profoscope confirms the presence of stirrups in column.